Hi friends, welcome to our farm. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. You are very welcome, appreciated, and loved here. And to everyone supporting me and my channel from the very beginning, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Here's my trivia of the day. Bananas are the #1 fruit crop in the world. They are the 4th largest overall crop after wheat, rice, and corn. India grows more bananas than any other country. The Philippines, China, and Ecuador are the next 3 top producers of bananas. As I remember, simula nung bata ako, nag-aalaga na talaga si Papa ng mga baboy. Before going to school, he'll make sure na nakakain at nakaligo na ang mga alaga niya. And after school, he'll do the same. When compared with other livestock, I discovered that pigs have faster growth rate. Because of this, we can be very sure of making profits within a short period of time. My papa told me that 2 to 3 months, you can sell them. Of course, with the best pig management practices. Did you know that pigs have a high resistance to disease? These guys hardly get sick and adapt easily to most environments, hot or cold. This makes it possible for pigs to be raised on both a small and large scale. Let's talk about roosters. They are said to be loud, beautiful, mean, and good guardians. To be honest, I don't like them. It's just my brother and Papa love to take care of them. Let's get into some of the good reasons to keep roosters. Yes, there are good things about keeping roosters. I researched about it. Roosters are aggressive, and they will use their aggressive characteristic to protect their flock from predators. This is one of the best reasons to keep a rooster with your flock. They're going to alarm, warn the hens, and get in the face of any critter who tries to come into his yard. Hens also seem to be calmer and more comfortable with a protector around. If you would like to hatch out your own chicks, having a rooster makes things much easier. You could try and find some fertilized eggs for sale, but letting nature take its course is much easier. In the same way roosters alarm when they see predators, they will alarm when another human shows up as well. They will let you know when something is going on, and it's a big pro keeping roosters. There are some challenges that come with keeping a rooster, but most are manageable. Roosters are loud. They crow a lot. It's not just a warning either. Roosters crow as a warning to the hens, and some do it just for fun. They crow when the dogs bark, when they want to get the hens' attention. Actually, I grew up with chickens and lots of roosters in the backyard. Have you seen one of those videos where people are laughing as someone gets chased by an aggressive rooster? Did you notice it's always the person being chased who thinks it's funny? There's a pretty simple reason behind that. Roosters can hurt. The truth is, some roosters will become aggressive. Not all, but some. Sure. Let's go!
Still have the hay?
My papa loves to plant. He loves to plant vegetables and trees. So everything you see around ay si Papa ang nagtanim. And the Lord makes them grow. Vegetables are so easy to grow. If you love the idea of growing your own produce, then planting them will save you hundreds of pesos in grocery. You will also have the peace of mind knowing that the vegetables you eat are grown with lots of TLC, tender love and care. Fresh vegetables are a central part of a healthy diet. Vegetables are loaded with essential nutrients that promote better health, including antioxidants and vitamins. Adding fresh veggies to your daily meals is the best way to boost your health and your loved ones' health too. If you're always stressed out and you don't or won't go to the local spot to distress, try gardening. Doing something meaningful or purposeful is a great stress reliever. Going out there and getting some fresh air and sunshine certainly helps soothe frazzled nerves. Growing food organically means sparing the earth of water, soil, and air pollution. We don't use pesticides or herbicides, so we enjoy the earth's bounty without harming the environment.
Nepa, hi! Hi, Nanay.
By the way guys, yung mga kahoy na makikita nyo dito ay ginagamit din namin na panggatong every time na magluluto kami ng pagkain. One of the lessons I learned from Papa is that pag may tinanim, may aanihin.